Hey, welcome back. One of the most common questions that we get is the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. There is a lot of confusion since both of them are WordPress platforms. However, there is a difference which is important to know before we go any further. Let's start with WordPress.org. It is an open source software. Now, what does open source software exactly mean? It simply means that the code used to make the WordPress software is made available to the public, allowing anyone to view, use, modify, and distribute the software. This means that anyone can help to make it better. Open source software helps to promote collaboration in the WordPress community. Therefore, WordPress.org is constantly being upgraded by various software developers. The best thing is that you as a user of WordPress.org get upgraded versions from time to time, and they are free of cost. This is what open source software means. It keeps on getting better and better with time as new updates are released, which you can install by the press of a button. Since WordPress.org is open source software, it's absolutely free. You do not need to buy it. Another advantage of WordPress.org is that there are no limitations. You can do whatever you want. You can add or change the overall look of your website by adding themes and customize it according to your own specific needs and requirements. You can also install WordPress plugins. Plugins are basically software that can be added to a WordPress website to extend its functionality or add new features. With plugins, you can install so many different features without the need of any prior coding or language skills. They are just like apps which you install on a mobile. Thus, WordPress.org is great for customizing your website according to your own needs. It is important to mention here that WordPress.org does not give you any active support. You have to go to online forums or see videos like this one in case of any issue. But don't worry, there's a ton of stuff out there to help you in case you get stuck. And honestly, if you go through all the videos in the playlist on our channel WordPress Professor, you really don't need to go anywhere else. However, you will need a domain, and hosting as WordPress.org does not give these services. You can easily get domains from a third-party provider like GoDaddy.com or Namecheap.com. For hosting, there are many options, but we will get our hosting from Hostinger.com for the purpose of this tutorial. Don't worry, we do not need to know more about this right now, and we will make sure to take you through all the steps for purchasing both your domain and hosting later on. Now let's talk about WordPress.com. This WordPress platform is not free. They do have a free plan, but that does not really give you anything to work on with. WordPress.com's most popular plans are called Premium and cost you $8 per month, but they bill you annually, so that is around $96. Their business plans, as you can see, are up to $300 and for a e-commerce site around $540 per year. WordPress.com does give you good back-end support. WordPress.com does a lot of stuff for you behind the scenes without you having to worry about it. For example, it automatically does software and plugin updates as well as security patches updates. WordPress.com also give you the domain and hosting since they charge you a monthly fee depending upon the plan you purchase. There are certain limitations, like you cannot edit themes the same way as you can on WordPress.org. You also have fewer choices for customization and plugins. We will be using WordPress.org for this video tutorial due to its numerous benefits over WordPress.com. If you look at the infogram being shown, it gives a snapshot of the basic differences between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We appreciate your feedback, so drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.